If Microsoft Word is showing an insufficient memory or disk space error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that can solve it fast. This is a common issue, and most of the time it happens because Word is running out of available memory, your system is overloaded, or the file you're working on needs a fresh save. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to restart Word the right way, close unnecessary apps that are using RAM, and save your document as a new file to help avoid the error. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is restart Microsoft Word. Sometimes Word just gets stuck or temporarily runs into a memory issue, and a quick restart is enough to clear it. Close Word completely, then reopen it and try your document again. If the error still shows up, the next step is to restart your computer. A full reboot clears temporary memory, shuts down background processes, and gives Word a fresh start. This simple step solves a lot of strange Office problems, so it's always worth trying before anything more advanced. Now, while Word is open, you should also close other applications that may be using too much memory. Programs like Chrome, Edge, video editors, design tools, or even multiple tabs in your browser can take up a huge amount of RAM in the background. The more memory those apps use, the less Word has available to work properly. So go ahead and close anything you're not actively using, especially resource-heavy apps. Once you've done that, go back to Word and check whether the error is gone. If the document still won't open or keep editing properly, another helpful fix is to use Save As and create a new file. Sometimes a specific document can become a little unstable, especially if it's been edited a lot, contains large images, or has formatting issues. To do this, open the file if you can, click File, choose Save As, and save it with a new name in a different location. This creates a fresh copy of the document, which can often bypass the memory or disk space error. If you're working on a shared or very large document, this step can make a big difference. After saving the new copy, close the original version and continue working with the updated file instead. And if Word still gives you trouble after these steps, make sure your computer also has enough free storage space, because low disk space can trigger this error too. Delete any temporary files you don't need, empty the recycle bin, and clear a little room on your drive if possible. The combination of freeing up memory and storage usually fixes the problem. So to quickly recap, restart Word, restart your computer, close other apps, and save the document as a new file. These simple steps solve most insufficient memory or disk space errors in Microsoft Word without needing anything complicated. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.